Hello, students. My name is Ms. Beck, and you are taking physical science. First of all, the purpose of science is to explain, predict, and control the world around us. Well, what does that mean? When science explains something, for example, it might tell how two chemicals react to form something else. Or it might explain how high and low pressure affects the weather. Or it might explain how electricity moves through wires. When we say science predicts, then it tells, for example, what tomorrow's weather would be, or what two chemicals will make when they react. Or it predicts how much current and voltage would be needed to produce a certain amount of power. Some parts of science are better at predicting than others. For example, we're sometimes good at predicting the weather and sometimes not so good. Predicting chemical reactions, once again, sometimes good, sometimes not. But predicting what electricity will do, we're actually very good at that. Finally, science controls the world around us. For example, we control how two chemicals react in order to produce a medicine. That takes a while, but it can be done through trial and error. We are not good at controlling the weather. That just doesn't work. And finally, we can control electricity to turn on the lights, the TV, the computer, your cell phone. So we're very good at controlling electricity. Physical science is the study of non-living things, as opposed to life science, biology, the study of life, or earth science, studying the world around us. So physical science is studying chemistry and physics. Well, what are those? Chemistry is the study of the composition, structure, properties, and reactions of matter. Great, clear as mud. What does that mean? Well, the composition of matter is what matter is composed of, what it's made of. Atoms, molecules, that sort of thing. The structure of matter is, well, for example, a structure is a building. So the structure of matter is how the matter is built and put together. For example, how atoms come together to make molecules. It also studies the properties of matter. For example, whether something is a solid, a liquid, or a gas, whether it's reactive or non-reactive, what color it is, what shape it is. And the reactions of matter, how matter reacts together to form new substances. Then physics is the study of matter and energy and the interactions between those through forces and motion. So for example, studying how waves use matter to transfer energy through the matter. How when you throw a ball, how far will it go? How long will it take before it hits the ground? What angle you throw it at and how that affects its trajectory or its path. And also motion, for example, how long it will take a car to stop, depending on how heavily loaded it is, that sort of thing. So that's what we are going to be studying in physical science. We'll spend about the first 9 weeks on chemistry and approximately the second 9 weeks on physics. I really hope you enjoy this class.